Alrighty, I'm going to be taking apart this Chicco NextFit convertible car seat to show you how it's done, because the first time I did it, I just got fake nails on, and you know how they get super sore? I had no clue how to do it. I couldn't use my fingers because they were so sore they're going to fall off, so I'm trying to nub this all apart. It was very stressful. So I'm going to show you, make it a little easier. So first things first, there's little buttons back here to unbutton this top piece. So that just pulls forward. This slides out, and then this comes off, right off the top. There's two buttons back here that you unbutton. This slides forward. There are rubber bands. They just come right around like that. So this piece is off, and now we will get to work on this piece. Okay, no judging. We just got back from a trip, so it is filthy. First thing, these are Velcroed in. So if you're trying to get the sides out, you have to lift this up. That's how you get that off. Let me see. This comes, it's just kind of wedged around there. It's wedged in. Same thing with this side. Hold, hold. Comes off. It is off. Now, we're on to the straps. Alrighty, to get this off, I did give this a little scrub-a-dub. You push this button, this comes up. Then recline the seat. Underneath here, you can see, maybe you can't. Please, you guys, don't judge me. Just don't do it. Slide this through. And where'd it go?
It's right here.
There it is. Came right out. Now we move on to the straps. There's a little plastic piece right here, the gray plastic. Push it down. Hold on, let me see. I pushed it down and I pulled out this little metal, not a screw, but little metal bar. That is what's holding that in. I'll do it over here too. Okay, let's see. So I just push that plastic down, and then it'll release this and I pull it out. I'm taking it out to wash everything. What I do, I leave those in the first holes so they don't get lost forever. Okay, so this is the hardest part when you're putting it back on. So you're gonna loosen the straps as loose as they will go. That way you can grab this out, both sides. Putting these in, back in through here, putting them back in through there, not for the faint of heart. Now I wash all of this, the plastic pieces even, this, I just wash it all and it's worn fine, and I've washed it so many times. I don't take off this piece, and I don't take off this bottom strap, but the rest of it gets thrown in the wash. I don't dry it, I let it air dry. This is what it should look like before you put the straps on. These pointing down and out, those going towards the middle, and then the straps, soft part towards the neck, and then this can go on top of it. Let me put the straps back on for you. Make sure you put them on in the right direction. Double check, because I've put them on backwards before and had to do it all, take it all apart, and it was very stressful. This is the hard part. You get this in here, and it wants to go up, but you need it to go down. So you have to try to grab it. It's very difficult. Okay, feel it. Oh, come to mama. Come back to me. Okay, I got it. If there's an easier way that I'm not aware of, someone please comment on this. Make sure that this is loosened all the way, and then also make sure it's not twisted. So the bag goes in the back. Do the left side first. Right out the right side. Tag is in the back. This goes back in here. These go like this. So you hold this and pull it out this way. Push it through that hole, and then push it until that snaps forward to hold it in so you can't get it back out. Hold it like that. This goes in, that gray part snaps up. Putting this back in, open this up. Slide this through the bottom. It'll get stuck. Putting this back on, you just slide it on and you push the black under the crack. Now earlier I slid the elastics around, but whenever I'm going to put them back on, they actually are hooked, and so they came undone in the washer. So you just slide it down the crack of this plastic, find that little hook, hook it, kind of tucks in there, and push the button. And I did that to this side. If you're wondering why I'm in a different outfit, it's because I washed this and I didn't need it, so I didn't put it back on yesterday. So you go over the top. Everything kind of just holds on. And I will show you details in a second. Okay. Remember, Velcro goes through here. Pull it in real tight. So it gets even. Also, all of this black lining gets pushed into this crack all the way down. And there are firm pieces of plastic to help you push in certain areas. Back here, see this? It goes, just gets pushed down like that. And it just tucks in. Okay, so see how this elastic's kind of coming out, or the black's kind of coming out? Right here, when you pull, you're going to wedge all of this in, and pull it tight, and fasten it. Continue moving down. On the bottom part, you just pull it tight over, and then you're going to wedge this open part around this plastic piece. And it all just kind of tucks in there. Follow along the rest of the edge, making sure all of the black is tucked in. Pull that through whichever hole. Okay, so now I loosen the straps, and I set this back so the strap's out. Set this back so the strap's out. Pull this purple up, button these. Then I set that on top and everything is good. I buckle it one last time, make sure I did everything correctly. But thanks for watching and hope this helps.